Hi y'all, this is Mike Garvin of Garvin Farms in Winnsboro, Texas. What you see here is only one house of my 4 farms that I have here in Winnsboro. And these girls, they've done their job. They put the eggs in the nest. Now it's my turn to get it in the hatchery the way it needs to be. And if my egg goes in and it's not packed right, if it's upside down, it don't hatch and I don't eat. Well, as you all know, on the farm, labor is our #1 problem. Now that I've installed my SANOVO packer, what I've noticed is my labor cost has come way down because I don't need as many hands. Plus, the packing of my eggs is more consistent. The cracks are just about near non-existent now, and it's just been a pleasure to have this, that it's improved our quality, giving us a little more free time, and it's just one of the things of technology that we just need to learn to embrace here on the farm.